Agencies charge thousands and take weeks. What if you could create the same quality ad in seconds for just pennies? Let's see how it's done. All right, guys. You don't have to worry about agencies anymore. You don't have to worry about trying to figure out, what am I going to shoot? How am I going to shoot? How am I going to create this amazing ad? How am I going to create UGC, user-generated content? It can all be done here through the power of AI. And just to show you, these videos are absolutely stunning. So let's check them out.
Ready to fight with everything needed.
Now, how are they doing this? They're using a script. So you just need to get a script. You can get one from an LLM, or you can simply write it.
The gentle curves of the ceiling lights spill out a warm glow, like ribbons of soft sunlight caught in motion.
And that sounds so good because it does not sound robotic. This does not sound like a robot talking. It just sounds like a human narration, even though it's AI. And that's the really cool thing about this is you just have to use a script or prompt. So for example, I can go ahead and paste in a script here. You can choose the talking actors. So you can do Sora. If you're familiar with Sora, a video on that, but it's a video generation content tool. You can import your videos here, turn them into high performing ads, and you don't have to pay an agency. You also have custom avatars right here. So you have 300 plus AI avatars, or you can go ahead and put in your own. So whether you want to use Sora, whether you want to use AI avatars, you can keep that avatar there for consistent messaging on brands to see how it looks. Then we also have B-roll. Yes. Also, it looks professional and you don't have to go and grab that yourself from Pixels or Pexabay. And finally, why is this so powerful? Because you can scale with ads affordably, quickly. You can put out 200 ads a day for literally pennies. You don't have to hire an agency. You don't even have to hire a video editor. You don't have to do anything like this. And here you can see all videos that I generated, or you can use the AI avatar, or you can just do cool UGC. Just pick your script, get ready to go, and make that ad. And just to see more amazing examples, look at these avatars, look at all this. This is all AI generated. And most people are going to be looking on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, saying, wow, how did you get so many influencers to work for you? You must have an agency. No, I'm just using MakeUGC and making the coolest things. And if you don't know, UGC, user-generated content, is the big thing. Why? Because everybody wants a genuine person reviewing their products. So this works for TikTok, IG, YouTube Shorts. You can do multi-language, so don't worry. If you want it in Spanish, if you want it in French, you can do that. Support for global campaigns. Plus, you get the whole workflow ready to go for you. Captions, export, everything like that. So why pay more? Scale campaigns fast, make them cost-effective. Start creating AI-UGC ads today at MakeUGC.ai. Let's go.